Hello dear kids, today under the topic basic geometrical ideas we will discuss about curves. What are the curves? Whenever we give a pen or a pencil to a small kid who doesn't know what to write, how to write, so what children usually do? They used to take a pen wherever they get space, either copy or a wall. जहाँ भी बच्चों को place मिलता है वो कुछ भी draw करना start कर देते हैं. Like this, anything they draw. ये जो सिंपल डूडलिंग होता है पेपर पे, कहीं भी किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मूव करना. It can have some lines, it can have some round, anywhere it can move. They can make it like this also. Anyhow, so these are called as curves in geometry. So these curves have no definite shape, that these many sides, like this it should be in left direction, right direction. No rule is there for the curve. It's just a simple doodling. Okay. These can be classified into two types. One, as you can see many here, like X, as it has no point, means that if I tell you to draw it, then it's your wish. From wherever you want to start, you can. Means that if you are starting from here, then you have to start and then you have to end up here back. That means from where you are starting, at the same point you have to end it up. ऐसा कर्व जिसमें हम जहाँ पर जिस पॉइंट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, अगर हम उसी पॉइंट पे लाके उसको एंड कर दें, तो उसमें हम उसको कहते हैं कि इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड एंड पॉइंट्स आर द सेम. जिन कर्व में स्टार्टिंग एंड एंड पॉइंट कॉमन होता है, सेम होता है, सच काइंड ऑफ कर्व्स आर कॉल्ड एज क्लोज्ड कर्व्स. And on the other way, if we have two points, that is one starting, one ending, it means in curve in which the starting point and the ending points are different, same point नहीं है. हम इस कर्व को लें, इसको हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो ये फिनिश हो रहा है यहाँ, या यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो ये फिनिश हो रहा है यहाँ. That means they have different starting and ending point. So such kind of curves are called as open curve. Okay, so which is completely packed, that is closed curve. Which is open from any end, that will be called as open. Similarly, you see here, this one is also packed, so that is closed curve, and it is open from here, so that will be called as open curve. These are the curves. And if we have a curve which is made up of line segments only, for example, like anyhow in any direction if we make, you can see here, this is also a doodling done, but all the sides are made up of line segment. Only line segments are used to make this figure. So such kind of figures are called as polygon. And if we have number of line segments in a figure, but any one or any two is curved, like this, then it will be called curve only. Then they will not be considered as polygon, because polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments only. Now if we talk about the part of the polygon or the curve, we have a polygon here, we have a curve here. Now there, if we want to locate any point, so that can be at three positions. One, the part inside the curve, that is called its interior. The part outside it anywhere. This is the boundary of this curve. Outside it anywhere, if we have any point, so that outside is called as exterior here. So we will call P is in the interior of the curve. Point A is in the exterior of the curve. Point X is also in the exterior of the curve. And if we have the point on the boundary, so this will be called S. B is on the curve. Here we have B in the interior. Point A and X, they are in the exterior of the curve, and point B is on the curve. So this is the way to locate the points in the interior, in the exterior, or on the curve. So this is about the curve in the basic geometry. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you so much.